Okay, I'm super excited for this printmaking kit. This is block printing for beginners. My daughter loves to carve and sketch things, especially in wood, so I'm going to surprise her with this. Okay, so this kit comes with 4 rubber pads. It's suggested that if this is your first time, sketch whatever you're going to sketch on a paper first, then maybe even trace it, or just practice first before you actually start on the rubber. You can see it's pretty thick, nice and bendable. I love the pretty pink color. So you're going to sketch it out. Here is a sketching tool. So you can see it tightens and loosens, and then you have a few different heads here to create the etching and sketching. So you sketch it out, etch it out, and then use the pad, or choose your paper, the transfer paper, that you're going to transfer the print on. This tray is for the ink. We're really excited to be able to make these permanent sketchings. So put the ink here, roll this out. There's a technique that's actually described in the booklet. It talks about a hissing sound when you make the actual print, or when you're actually rolling this out, and then you know when it's ready with enough ink. And then you're gonna roll it over your sketching like so, and then press the paper on, and then use this to create the uniform look. And then you're gonna peel the paper away and see your print. This is such a fun project. Really cool idea. So much fun ahead. We love this. You will too.